Hey you guys, Dan with MarineMax Nisswa. We got a 2027 Premier. This is a 230 Sunsation RF. This is a very popular boat in the Premier lineup, and I'll tell you guys why. This has a 15-person seating capacity. It is a tri-tune powered by a 200 Mercury horsepower engine. So perfect boat for tubing, getting where you need to go quick, and this is a very quiet engine. So if you're just slow cruising, checking out the coast, this is the boat for you. Coming aboard, we got a nice big area back here. We got a tow bar for pulling skiers and tubers. Battery switch in the back so no one's lifting up any seats. Coming into the boat, we got storage under all these seats. So these all lift up, they're all hinged. So no hassle to you guys. Speakers up in the couches, deep cup holders. Powered canopy, that's a standard feature on the Sunsation. A nice little movable table. Elevated captain's helm with the Lowrance. Easy to use controls, turnkey to start. This is Bluetooth, obviously. Pop-up table, big floor storage locker. Paper towel, garbage, the important stuff. All locked away under the captain's helm. Again, very popular boat for us. We only have a couple of these left. Come get your 2027 Premier 230 Sunsation RF at MarineMax Nisswa.